here. Why you dey come?
Auntie, good morning.
Good morning, Jerry.
Hey, wait.
As I know, you know answer cause maybe you dey busy. I be dey inside, I dey ready. I won't come out. I dey hungry, na im I enter kitchen collect food. Food for my kitchen. I don't get food. I don't get any food.
Hey, wait.
Na on top of sink na for your kitchen, na im I carry this one wey I dey chop. Eh? Now dog food wey need chop remain. Dog food wey chop remain. Keep am now. Say make I give am chop again.
Sorry, oh.